Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, let us solve the problem. Obtain the inverse of the following matrix using elementary operations of order 3 cross 3. As given the matrix A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1 of order 3 cross 3. So in the previous class we have solved the problem of order 2 cross 2. So let us solve this problem. So I have written already first this one solution because this problem is very lengthy. So I have written the solution of this problem. Now I am going to explain this one. So A is equal to I into E. We have to follow the same procedure. A is equal to I into A. Let us write the A. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1 is equal to I. I is the identity matrix of order 3 cross 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. So we have to follow the same procedure. So we have to make the A matrix as an identity matrix. So how to make the identity matrix means you have to follow the three properties of the elementary operations. So he has given the matrix in this matrix. So 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1 is there. So in the first row there is 0 is there in the first element. So let us apply the property of row 1 changes to row 2. Row 1 changes to row 2 because I am shifting the second row to the first and first row to the second. So first element is 0 in the first row. So I am changing the second row to the first and first row to the second. In the second row there is a first element is 1. So let us change R1 changes to R2. 1, 2, 3. So I am shifting the row to the row 1 and row 1 to the row 2. I have written here 1, 2, 3 is the second row. I have written in the first row. Then 0, 1, 2 is the first row. I have written in the second row. Same thing you have to shift in the identity matrix. So row 2 is changed to row 1 and row 1 is changed to row 2. Okay, let us go for the next step. So if you observe this matrix, what do you feel here? R3 changes. So here in the row 3, 3, 1, 1 is there. So let us change. We have to make this row 3 as an 0, 1, 1. So let us take the first step. 3, 1, 1 should be converted to 0, 1, 1. But we cannot convert directly as a 0, 1, 1. We have to follow the steps. So row 3 changes to row 3 minus 3R1 means row 3 should be changed. Then minus, we have to minus row 3 with 3 into R1 means we have to multiply 3 with row 1. So what happens here? So here row 3 is first element is, the row 3 first element is 3 minus 3R1. R1 is here 1. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So you got the 0. So we got the 0. We have to write the first row same, second row same. Now we have to change the row 3. We have to write the row 3 only. So again 1 here. 1 minus 1 minus 3 into 2. Then 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So minus 5 you have to write here. Next 1 minus 3 into 3. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. So here you have to write minus 8. Again you have to go for the identity matrix. You have to follow the same procedure. So you have to write the first row as it is same, then second row as it is same. Then you have to go for the third row. Third row should be changed. third row element, first element is 0, 0 minus 3 into 0, then what happens? 0 minus 0 is 0. So you got the 0. Then third row, second element 0, 0 minus 3 into 1, then 0 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. Then minus 3 you got. Then next one is third element, 1 minus 3 into 0, 1 minus 0 is, 1 minus 3 into 0 is 0, then the answer is 1 here. So I have changed the third row as 0 minus 3, 1. So in the first row, let us see here first row. So we got the one element of third row is 0. Again we have to change the two elements. So let us go for the first row here. 1, 2, 3 is there. In the first row 1, 2, 3 is there. In the second row is 0, 1, 2 is there. So let us change the first row. First row changes to R1 minus 2R2. Row 1 changes to row 1 minus 2R2. So here we have to change the row 1. So we have to change the row 1 here. So let us change the row 1 here. So row 1 element, first element is 1. 1 minus 2R2. 2R2 means 2 into 0. Then what will get? 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So we have to change the row 1. So 1 minus 2 into 0 is 1 minus 0. Then we have got 1 here. Again 2 here. So first row second element is 2. 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 into 1. And what happens here? 2 minus 2. So you get 2 minus 2 means 0. So you got the 0 here. Again row 1 element is 3 minus 3 minus 2 into 2. Then 3 minus 4, then minus 1. So minus 1. So we have changed the only row 1. Row 2 you have to write as it is, 0, 1, 2. Then row 3 is 0, minus 5, minus 8. And again go for the right side. Here right side, the first element of row 1 is, first element of row 1 is 0. 0 minus 2, 2 into 1. Then 0 minus 2 means minus 2. So minus 2 we got. Again 1 minus 2 into 0. 1 minus 0, then 1. You got here 1. Again next element is 0 minus 2 into 0. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. So we have changed the minus 2, 1, 0 as in the first row. Second row we have to write same as it is. Third row we have to write same as it is. So let us go for the next one. Next row we have to step, next step, R3 changes to R3 plus 5R2. R3 changes to R3 plus 5R2. So here R3, what is R3 here? Okay, let us go for the change of R3 here. So here R3 is 0 minus 5 minus 8. Okay, so we have to change R3. R3 first element is 0. 0 plus 5 into R2 means you have to multiply 5 with R2. R2 element is 5 into 0. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. So we have to write the first row as it is, 1, 0, minus 1. Second row 0, 1, 2. Then we have to change the third row. Third row means 0 plus 5 into 0 means you got 0. Again, I have to go for the next element. Next element is minus 5 plus 5 into 1. Then minus 5 plus 5, you are getting 0. Are getting the here 0, then minus 8, then minus 8 plus 5 into 2, and minus 8 plus 10, that is equal to 2. So you got 2. So let us go for the right side here. In the right side, we have to write the first row as the same, second row as it is same, and we have to change the third row. In the third row element is 0 plus 5 into second row element is 1, then 0 plus 5 is 0 plus 5 into 1 is 5, then we got the 5. Here we got the 5. So next element is minus 3 plus 5 into the second row element is 0, minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3. We got the minus 3 here. So next is 1 plus 5 into 0, then 1 plus 0 is 1. So we got the 1 here. So next step is, so let us go for the next step. So if you observe here, in the third row we got the 0, 0 and 2. So if we got the 1 here in the third row, third element is 1. So in the identity matrix of third row is 0, 0, 1. So to make this as a 0, 0, 1, so let us change the R3 changes to, if you multiply by 1 by 2 to R3, so if you multiply means 0 into 1 by 2 is 0, then the third row third element 0 into 1 by 2 is the 0, then 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. So we got the 1 here. So we have to write the first row as it is, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1 to a second row. Then third row is, if you multiply 0, 0, 1, we will get. In the right side, you have to follow the same thing. So first row you have to write the minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then multiply the third row elements with 5 by 2. So 5 into 1 by 2 means we are getting 5 by 2. Then here minus 3 is there, minus 3 should be multiplied with 1 by 2 means we are getting minus 3 by 2. Then here again you have multiply 1 with 1 by 2, you are getting 1 by 2. Then next, okay, we have changed the row 3. Now let us go for the row 1. In the row 1 here, 1 is there, 0 is there, minus 1 is there. So first row should be here 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 you should get. So to get 1, 0, 0, 1, let us change R1 changes to R1 plus R3. If you add here, so here R1 is, first element is 1 plus R3 element is 0. So you are getting 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then again 0 plus 0. Then 0 plus 0. You are getting 0. 0. Then minus 1 plus 1. You are getting 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So R1 we got. So again you have to write row 2 as in 0, 1, 2. Same as it is. Then third row you have to write 0, 1, 1. Again in the right side. So here first row is minus 2 plus 5 by 2. To take LCM here, LCM is 2, then minus 4 plus 5, then minus. So here we have to change the here minus 2 plus 5 by 2 means you have to take LCM. LCM is 2, so minus 4 plus 5, then 1 by 2. So you got 1 by 2 here. Again 1 plus here, plus of minus 3 by 2 means 1 minus 3 by 2. If you take LCM 2, so cross multiply 2 minus 3, then that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 you got. Again the next element is 0 plus 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Second row is 1, 0, 0. Third element is 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Are written here. The next last step, let us go for the last step. So in the second row there is 0, 1, 2 is there. In the second row 0, 1, 2 is there. 2 should be as in 0. So let us write the first row as in 1, 0, 0. Then second row we have to change. So let us change the second row. Second row changes to R2 minus 2 R3. So second row changes to R2 minus 2 R3. So R2 element is 0, 0, then 2 R3 minus 2 into 0, then you are getting 0 minus 0 is 0, then you have written here 0, then R2 changes 1 minus 2 R3, 1 minus 2 R3 means 1 minus 2 into R3 is 0, then 1 minus 0 is 2 into 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1 you got. Again here 2 is the 2 minus 2 minus 2 R3, R3 element is 1, R3 element is 1 means 1, then 2 minus 2 is 0 you got. The second row third element is 0, then third row you have to write as it is 0 1 1. Again you have to go further. So let us change here in the right side here. The right side second row as it is you have to write the first row is you have to write 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2. Then you have to change the second row. Second row first element is 1 minus 2 into R3 is 5 by 2. Then 1 minus 10 by 2. If you take LCM is 2 minus 10, then that is minus 8 by 2, that is 4, minus 4 you got. So here minus 4, then next element is here 0 minus 2 into minus 3 by 2, then you will get 0 minus into minus plus 6 by 2, then that is 3. Then next element is 0, then minus here 0 minus 2 into 1 by 2 means you are getting minus 2 by 2, then that can be written as minus 1. So we got here, so A as in 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 identity matrix, then therefore A inverse is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 4 3 minus 1 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 5 1 by 2. So this is the answer. You have to verify means you can follow this procedure. A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix. You can solve this one. If you solve this one, you should get the identity matrix. Then you can confirm that this answer is right. So order 3 problem is a little bit difficult. If you practice, you may get.